Hi, Tom Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArklateXHomepage.com, as well as the ArklateXHomepage.com app. And obviously the big story here for the most of the week ahead will be Tropical Storm Alberto, now a subtropical storm, but probably will become more totally tropical here later on. Maximum sustained winds 40 miles per hour. The system nearly stationary right now as it's just south of Cozumel, Mexico. Should make its way into the Gulf of Mexico, and you can see it probably will stay at tropical storm status moving forward, making landfall sometime late Monday, the way it looks right now. And you can see models indicating landfall could be as far west as the mouth of the Mississippi or as far east as perhaps, say, Panama City, Florida. So there's still some wiggle room as far as the actual landfall. But what is becoming more certain is that its effect on our weather is looking very, very minimal. A couple of models do send it into central Louisiana, but that is looking rather unlikely given the weather pattern which is taking shape. If this were to happen, as you see right here, not really, as I mentioned, much of an impact rainfall-wise is from now through next Friday. This particular model showing rainfall totals less than 1/4 of an inch across most of the area, perhaps a little bit heavier across the east. Here's model number 2 showing you even lighter amounts as it has the heavier rains well to the east of the Arklatex, where Alberto will move in. You can see the areas of red. That's where we could see anywhere from 5 to as much as 8 inches of rainfall, at least according to Futurecast here, going through the next week or so. Now, as far as what happens here during the next couple of days, still looking at that chance for the pop-up May afternoon, early evening thunderstorm. You can see the activity this evening will wind down. Could see some more activity skirt across the western sections of the area tonight, but most of us will stay dry under a partly cloudy sky. And then tomorrow, most of us again will stay dry as we'll see the mix of clouds and sunshine. Again, a very slight chance for the stray afternoon thunderstorm going through tomorrow night. That rain that does develop should wrap up during the evening, and then going through Sunday, we will see quite a bit in terms of clouds mixing in with the sunshine, and again, rainfall chances looking rather slim. I have 30% for the rainfall chance tomorrow, 20% maybe for Sunday, and then we're pretty much done as far as the rain heading into the first half of next week. In fact, upper level ridging is going to build into the plains, and that's going to heat us up. You can see by the end of the week, daytime highs mid to upper 90s, lows eventually warming up into the middle 70s. I have moderate as far as impact there for Thursday, Friday, because the heat index will more than likely be in excess of 100. So make note of that as you make plans for late next week. Those were Shreveport numbers. In Texarkana, you're looking at highs basically low to mid 90s, right around 94, 95 for the last half of next week. Nighttime lows also in Texarkana will warm up into the middle 70s. So all in all, it looks like our relatively dry weather pattern is going to continue as Alberto will stay well to the east of the Arklatex the way it looks right now. We will see rainfall chances decrease heading through the weekend, and temperatures will increase late next week with highs easily the hottest of the year so far.